What to do? Ekans, tell me. Good
Good
morning,
morning,
everyone.
Ma'am,
ma'am.
sorry, I forgot to say.
Yes, Ekans. Why you are late? 2 minutes. Again, Migdad, 2 minutes late. I'm writing your names. Mail will come to your parents. Ekansh, Migdad. They don't know, still don't know the class timing. I will send the mail to their parents. I know there are few more students who will join, like Mohit has not joined yet. Daksh Patel has not joined yet. There are students. Jahan Agarwal is joining now. Jahan Agarwal, be ready. Mail will come to your parents. You are late in the class. Turn on your camera and sit. Priya, mail will come to your parents. You are late in the class today.
Ma'am,
But
I
Priya
will
is
attend only one class because
only
I
one
am.
day late. I will give you excuse, Priya.
Ma'am, I want to tell something.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Mohit,
can you inform
3 minutes late.
Ma'am, can you inform the teachers check your email because I'm going my nanny house, so I attend only one class only.
No, bacha, you have to mail to the teachers.
I'm male, but you inform. Can
No,
you
it will
check?
not be possible. Either you mail to your class teacher, she will inform. Okay. Good morning, everyone.
Good
First, we
morning,
will
ma'am.
do
Good
the
morning,
revision.
ma'am.
Good morning, a very good morning. I'm going to present my screen. First, we will do the revision. Children, again, I'm telling you, Vedi, Megdad, Mohit, Karnav, Dhyan Dalal, it has been noted. You children are leaving my class early. Then mail will come to your parents. Please note, you will not, Vivan Balchandani also. Please note that you will not leave the class until I will not end the class.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am, I
Vedi,
promise.
mute your mic and Mohit, turn on your camera. I'm going to present my screen.
Ma'am,
First, we
first we
will do
will do
the
the revision
revision.
of the previous chapters,
Yes.
right?
First, we will do the revision of the previous chapter, that is halves and no parts and wholes, fraction. Is this visible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes,
I will
ma'am.
call the child name. That child only will answer me. Circle the correct shaded fraction from the given four choices. Means you have to say it is the circle the correct shaded portion. It is shaded already. You need to tell it's a 1/3, 1/4, 1/2, or the 3/4.
I can
So
tell.
I will no, I will call the child name.
Ma'am,
That
I
child you
cannot
only
see
will.
the first one shaded part.
It is
Circle.
the first picture only. The circle which is shaded here.
Ma'am, can Trisha?
Ma'am, can I say?
No, Anna Agarwal.
Ma'am, it is 1/4.
Okay. Next picture, Jahan Agarwal.
Yes, ma'am. 2 upon 6. D.
D. Very good. Now next is
Ma'am, I can tell.
wait a minute, let me adjust. Yeah. Third picture, Khush Ahuja. Is he there at his place?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
You can say.
Khush, give me the third.
Ma'am, Mama, A1. 3/4.
Khevna, fourth.
Yes, ma'am. 3/4.
The C option, right?
Yes.
Vivan Balchandani, fifth picture. Vivan Balchandani,
One
fifth
upon.
picture. One upon. How many parts are shaded and how many are total? You need to write the fraction. Yes?
2/3.
Yes. Next is Twisha.
Yes, ma'am.
Sixth picture.
1/8.
Yes. Now, Nishika,
Yes, ma'am.
write the 4 equivalent fractions of the given fraction.
Okay, ma'am. It will be 4,
Hmm.
6,
4 upon 6, first fraction.
4
Second
upon
fraction.
4.
Hmm.
Then it will be 6 upon 9.
Hmm.
Then it will be 8 upon 12. And then it will be 10 upon
Hmm.
15.
Hmm. Next, Freya. Next 4 fractions, equivalent fractions of 5 upon
Yes,
7.
ma'am. Ma'am, first will be 14 upon 10.
You are telling wrong. 10 upon 14.
10 upon 14.
Hmm.
Next will be uh, 15 upon 21.
Hmm.
Then 20 upon 28.
Hmm.
Then 25 upon 35.
Hmm. Next. Dhyan Dalal.
And
Other
I want to
fractions,
tell.
equivalent fractions of 3 upon 4. Dhyan Dalal, are you there in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Give me the equivalent fractions of 3 upon 4.
6 upon 8.
Hmm.
Ma'am, I don't know the second one.
You don't know that you have to say the table of the numerator and you have to say the table of the denominator.
Okay.
3 1 3 is already there. 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12, and 3 5 is 15. Then you say the table of denominator. 4 1 4 is already there. 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12, 4 4 is 16, 4 5 is 20. Got it? This way you need to find the equivalent fractions. You have to say the table of the denominator and the numerator.
Okay, ma'am.
Now tell me, Dhyan.
Which one?
Same 3 upon 4 equivalent fractions.
6 upon 8.
Hmm.
9 upon 12.
Hmm.
Fif- fif-
12
upon 6. 12 upon 16.
Hmm.
Then 15 upon 20.
Hmm. Next, Yash Desai.
And I want to tell.
Lakshya, your turn will come. Yash Desai.
I'm 2 upon 5. 2 upon
2.5?
10.
10.
Not 2 upon 10.
Hmm.
2 upon 30. 2 upon.
No. 2 upon
2
10.
upon 15.
3 upon 15.
Yeah, 3 upon 15. 4 upon 30. 4 upon 30.
20.
4 upon 20.
Hmm.
5 upon 25.
Yes. That's
Ma'am,
what
it is a 5. 1 1 1 1 1
Hmm.
5 1 5, 5 2 are 10, and 5 is a 15.
Okay. Now next child. Gunav Gura is there in the class?
First one is already done.
Yeah, I will. Gunav Gura is there in the class? No. Ridhan is there in the class? Ridhan. I think I am audible to you all.
Yes,
Why
ma'am.
Ridhan is not
Yes,
answering?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. You are audible to us.
But where is Ridhan?
Yes, ma'am.
Might be he has left the meeting or not answering the
No, ma'am,
question.
he answered.
He answered?
Yes. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am, he
ma'am.
was there.
Okay, Ridhan. I'm again presenting you. You please tell me. Let me take the attendance student. Aryaman again has joined late today. Aryaman, every day there is a problem with the network. Aryaman, I'm talking to you, bacha. Okay, I'm presenting the screen to Ridhan. Ridhan, can you give me the answer for the first one?
Second one or first one?
First one.
Yeah.
How many parts you will shade?
Three.
3. Any 3 you can shade because this is showing 3 upon 6. 6 are the total parts. Any
Yes,
3
can
parts
we
you can
shade?
shade. Yes. Now you give me Lakshya. B1.
Ma'am, it
How
is
many
also
parts?
the 3.
Okay. Now Ekansh, how many parts you will shade in this? No voice is coming. Please
You
mute.
can't write in a chat box.
Ekansh, please mute. Yeah. Next is Rudra Jajadia. D1.
Yes, ma'am. We will shade 2.
Yes. Samriddhi, how many you will shade in this?
5.
And the next is Rudra Master. How many parts you will shade in this fraction, this figure?
4 upon 6.
So how many parts you will shade? 4
4.
upon 6
4.
parts. Yes.
4.
4 parts you will shade. Mute yourself. Someone mic is on, which disturbing me a lot.
Ma'am, Ekansh.
You can't.
Ekansh,
Mic
please
issue.
mute yourself.
Remove your headphones.
Okay. Now, Anya.
Yes,
2
ma'am.
upon 5 of 30 is 15. Is it true or false?
False.
What will be the answer exactly?
Ma'am, the answer will be hmm,
Children, be ready with the right answer. I can ask from anyone the right answer also. So be ready with the right answer. Yes, Anya,
ma'am, I don't
fast.
know.
You don't know how to find 2 upon 5 of 30, which you have learned in grade 4, you have learned in grade 5 also. How to find 2 upon 5 of 30 is 5. Cancel with these 30. So 5 ones are 5, 5 6 are 30, and 6 multiplied by 2 will be 12. Got it? The correct answer is 12. I will go to the next child, Migdad. Migdad, B1. Is B the right answer? Migdad, is B the right answer? Am I audible, students, to you all?
Yes,
So quickly
ma'am.
give the answer.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am, it's wrong.
So where is Migdad? He is not there in the class? Migdad, are you there?
No, ma'am.
He is not there in the class. He is there, I know. Migdad, give the answer, please. He left the class. Kevna, you give.
There. He is there, ma'am.
Kevna, you give now. The
Ma'am,
answer.
the correct answer is 32 because
No,
eight.
B1, not the C1.
Okay, ma'am,
B.
sorry. Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
if
ma'am,
you
it's
have
correct.
given the C,
Yes,
so the correct answer is
32.
32. So this is false. I will go to the next Karnav. Karnav, first say yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Karnav, give the answer for the B1. Is it is true or false, first of all?
Ma'am, it is. Ma'am, I don't know. Ma'am, I just want to hear.
3, 7 of 28. So you need to divide 7 and 28, and whatever the answer is coming, you need to multiply with this. So 7 1 is 7, 7 4s are 28. So 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. So this is true.
True, ma'am.
Next, Rahil, D.
Ma'am, D.
Ma'am, can I please?
No, Ken, I am calling your names. Rahil,
I have
D.
a doubt.
Yes, please ask. Ayush.
Ma'am, my doubt
It
is
is
that if we
Ma'am,
make
true.
8 parts of
Rahil, wait.
64,
What?
if we make 8 parts of 64, 8 8 is 64, right?
Hmm.
So if we make 8 parts of 64, so it will be 8 every time. And if there is 4 parts out of it, so the answer should be 32.
Yes. So this is false. Khevna gave 32.
Yeah, so the C option is false, right?
Yes, already given by Khevna.
Okay.
Yes. What
When
is the answer?
Mikbad joined now.
I will talk with Migdad. Yes. Give me, Rahil, the D answer.
Ma'am, it is
Again, I am explaining how to do. This denominator will be divided by this, and whatever the answer is coming will multiply by this. 212 of 6. What is the 212 of 6?
Ma'am, can I tell Aryaman? Ma'am, can I say?
Ma'am, D1 is true.
The one is, yes, it will be.
Ma'am, it will be
Ma'am,
1
I
of
know
D.
that.
It
Ma'am,
will
can
be
I
1.
tell
Okay, I will
Ma'am,
move to
can
the
I
next
tell?
child. It will be true, beta. When you divide this.
Ma'am, I know left one.
Ma'am, it is true.
Okay. Lakshya will
Yes,
give me
ma'am.
the E.
Because if we make
It is
12
true.
parts of 6, 12 is the double of 6, right? So to
And the
make
answer
it
is 4.
possible, we have to
Ma'am,
take
the answer is 4.
half as 1. So that's why when we add 2 halves, it should be 1.
Okay, I'll move to the next child.
Ma'am, I know the
Lakshya,
left one.
give me the E1 and then you to be silent till your name will be not called. Okay. Last time I'm giving you another chance. Give me the E answer.
Ma'am, it is false.
Ma'am, but in D1 it should be the answer 4.
No.
Because 6 multiplied by 2
6 1 ja 6 and 6 2 ja 12. So 2 upon 2 will be 1.
Yeah, because we will
Ma'am,
divide
it is
2 upon 2 by
4.
we don't multiply 2 upon 2, we simplify it.
Ma'am, it is false.
Ma'am, I didn't get the D1. Please explain.
Ma'am,
Are you giving
ma'am,
me
it is false.
Arvind? It is true, bacha. It is true.
Yeah, but how?
Ma'am, can you explain the D1? I didn't get.
Ma'am, I know
I
that
will explain
because
now. Lakshya, mute your mic. Mute your mic, Lakshya. Lakshya, I don't want much disturbance in the class. I will give you a chance to hear your chance like the other students are waiting. I want to explain to students the E1. 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20. Okay. Then again multiply 4 3s are 12 and divided with the 3, which is the denominator set left. So 3 4s are 12. So the answer is true. Everyone is clear?
Ma'am, I didn't
Yes,
clear
ma'am.
with E. I'm not clear with E.
I will show you the E1 here. If it is possible. Wait.
Generation impact. No.
Mute yourself. Mute yourself. See, either you divide it with the denominator or, sorry, here. Either you divide it with the denominator or we have one more method, multiply 20 with the 3, which will be 60.
Ma'am, which
And
will
when
be
you
60.
divide 60 by 15, the answer will be 4.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am, but cannot make
20 divided by 3.
ma'am, but we cannot make 15 parts of 20.
Yes, Ellie.
So how is it possible that we make?
What? We have the method of solving it. So with the method you understood how
Yeah,
to
with
do
the
it?
method I did, but
Ma'am, I understood the way you explained.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes, please. Yes, Samriddhi. Let me talk with Samriddhi. Samriddhi, was the problem? What you have not understood?
Ma'am, and this I can't understand. First, we have to multiply or divide it.
Either you divide, either you multiply. It's depend on you. We have already learned this method, how to find. Like if I say, what is the 4 upon 5 of 20? 4/5 of 20. So this we have already learned. What is the 1 upon 2 of 100? What is the half of 100? How to find? We have already learned in grade 4 and the grade 5. This shows that you are not practicing, bacha. Method is same. Any number can come. Method is same. I am going to show you here also on the screen. See, can you see my register here? Your doubt will be clear.
Yes,
Those who are
ma'am.
saying.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Can you see? Aryaman, wait. 2 upon 5 of 20. Right? Can you see this, everyone?
Yes,
2
ma'am.
upon 5
Yes, ma'am.
of 20. Any fraction will come. The method will be same. The method will not change. The method is same. Either you divide these numbers or either you multiply this as the numerator and divide it with the
Ma'am,
denominator.
answer will 4.
Because here the denominator is nothing, so we put 1. Okay. Or
Why
then
no question mark?
Lakshya, can I explain, bacha? Because others getting disturbed.
Okay, ma'am. Sorry.
2 multiplied by 20, which will be 40. Now 40 divided by 5. Got it, everyone? So the answer will be 8. Or if you do
Okay,
like
ma'am.
this, 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20, and 4 into 2, then also the answer will be 8. Am I clear with Samriddhi now?
Yes, ma'am, I understood.
Yes,
Samriddhi,
ma'am.
clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Either you multiply both these two numbers which are in the numerator and divide it with the denominator. Karnav, switch on your camera, please.
Ma'am, we have
Or,
to multiply by numerator only.
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes, these two numerators will multiply and divide it with the denominator. Okay? Clear?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Karnav, ask.
Ma'am, may I go to washroom?
Yes, please go and come. Now clear? Whichever the sum comes like this, the method will be same.
Oh,
Ma'am, my doubt cleared.
Now, Aryaman, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now we are going to do about the 3D shapes. I am going to play one video on the 3D shapes. And then we do our today's concept. Please see about faces, edges, corners, vertices. Vertices and corners are same. Sides and edges are same. Please see the video. Where are you looking, Ayush? You are looking somewhere else. Class is going on here.
Ma'am, please close the chat
Am I
box
audible,
that
students?
you all are writing in the chat.
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm off the chat box.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming. Ma'am, your voice is not
No,
coming.
ma'am. Your voice is coming.
My voice is coming now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
Is it
ma'am.
not cutting?
No, ma'am, it's not cutting. It's clearly.
Okay,
Oh,
I'll
ma'am.
play the.
Yes, is audible.
In our daily lives, we see different things, such as books, football, tables, dice, ice cream cones, etc. All these shapes are solid. These shapes are not flat, like rectangles, circles, etc. We call them three-dimensional shapes. Let's understand them.
Ma'am, can you do the
There are
audio
three
more?
figures here. The first figure is a line segment whose length is 5 centimeters.
This much is only the voice. Either you can put the headphones.
It's clear to hear.
Here we have described this line segment only on the basis of length, that is, only on one measurement. In this way, if we can describe a figure on the basis of just one measurement, then we call it as one-dimensional figure. The ray, the line, is also a one-dimensional figure. Talking about the second shape, it is a rectangle whose length is 5 centimeter and width is 3 centimeter. Can this rectangle be described here based on just length or just width? Think. No. Here
First, you have learned about the one-dimensional figure which is only having a length. Then you are learning about the another figure which is having length and breadth. So this is the rectangle which is having length and width. So can you only describe it on the basis of the one dimension? No. It is the which figure?
Rectangle.
It is the two-dimensional
Two
figure
dimensions.
where
Two
you can
dimensions.
see the length and the breadth.
Here it is necessary to tell us both measurements. To describe a figure where we have to tell two measurements, then it is called a two-dimensional figure. In short, we write 2D for two-dimensional.
2D.
Generally, all flat shapes like squares, pentagon, circles, etc. are two-dimensional, that is, 2D shapes. So can you now tell how many measurements are necessary to describe the third shape? Think. Absolutely right. This shape is a cuboid. To describe it, we need to tell the measure of its length, height, as well as width. A figure in which we need three measurements to describe is called a three-dimensional figure. In short, we write 3D for three-dimensional. Generally, all solid shapes such as cube, cuboid, prism, etc. are three-dimensional or 3D shapes. Let us know about three-dimensional or 3D shapes. Cuboid. Can you tell how many flat areas it is made of? Try it.
6.
Let us tell you.
6.
You can see that here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 is flat area. Thus, the box of matches is made up of 6 flat areas. The upper flat area of a solid shape is called its faces. Hence, there are a total of 6 faces in the cuboid. Now look at the intersection of any two faces. Here you will see a line segment formed. The line segment at which faces of solid shapes meet is called an edge. If you look here, there are total 12 edges of the cuboid. Similarly, when three edges of a solid shape meet at a point, it is called a vertex. So now, can you tell how many vertices a cuboid has? Try.
4.
Let us tell you. Here the vertex is 1,
8.
2, 3, 4, 5,
8.
6, 7, and 8. The shape of the cuboid can be seen in a brick, cupboard, box, and table. Try yourself to find some more objects of this shape. Now let's see what a cube is. If the length, width, and height of a cuboid are equal, we get a cube. That is, a cuboid with all its sides equal is called a cube. For example, you must have used a dice to play. This is a cube. Similarly, we can see that Rubik cube, ice cube, etc. are of cube shape. Like the cuboid, the cube has 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. Have you seen an object of this shape in your science lab? Try and remember. This is named
Ma'am,
after the base
presentation
shape.
voice is cutting.
As the base of this prism is triangular, so it is a triangular prism. You can see that this prism has 5 faces, 9 edges, and 6 vertices. Similarly, if the basis of this prism is square, then such prism is called square prism. So now tell, if the base of the prism is rectangular, then what shall we call such a prism? Think. You are absolutely right. We will call it rectangular prism. You must have seen pictures of the famous Egyptian pyramids. If you look carefully, you will see their shape in this way. As you can see, in this shape, the base can be the shape of any polygon. But the rest of the faces are triangular. We call such a shape a pyramid. Like prism, we name the pyramid by the shape of the base. As the base of this pyramid is triangular, so it is a triangular pyramid. Here you can see that this pyramid has 4 faces, 6 edges, and 4 vertices. Now look at this pyramid. The base of this pyramid is square, so this is a square pyramid. Can you find its face, edges, and vertex? Pause the video and try it yourself. Now look here. This is a cylinder. This is cone, and this is a sphere. As you can see, there are 3 faces in the cylinder, which have 2 flat faces and 1 curved face. In this, we also see that there are 2 edges, but there is no vertex in it. The cone has 2 faces, out of which one is flat face and the other is curved face. Similarly, it has a vertex and an edge. Talking about the sphere, it has 1 face, but it does not have an edge and a vertex. So today we learned the 3-dimensional shape.
So students, are you all clear with the 3-dimensional shapes?
Yes.
Ma'am.
Okay. And students, now on your page number, on your in your textbook, page number 129. In your textbook, page number 129, there is a deep drawing given. Floor map is given. Right? Can you all see that floor map? Can you all see
Ma'am, on
that
which
floor
page
map?
number?
Page number
129.
129. This floor map.
Yes.
So when we make the floor maps, you can see they are showing in this type of doors and windows, right? So this we are going to discuss it tomorrow about the deep drawing of the things. You please read this and come tomorrow, page number 129 and 130. We will discuss in the live class tomorrow. Okay. Thank you, students.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you.
Bye,
Bye
ma'am.
bye. Bye bye.
Ma'am, may I also ask you something?
Bye, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, are you in the school?
No.
You are not in the school.
No.